Going through a breakup can feel like the world is crashing down and moving on seems impossible. But what if I told you that the way you're trying to heal might actually be holding you back? Healing after a breakup is essential for personal growth and well-being. It's easy to get caught up in the emotions of the situation and feel like you're stuck, but the truth is, you have the power to break free and start moving forward. No matter how hard it may seem, it's crucial to focus on your own healing and take the time you need to process your emotions. Losing a loved one can be devastating. It's like a part of you is missing, and the feeling of emptiness is overwhelming. You start questioning your own identity, your worth, and your place in the world. Sadness, confusion, and loss become your constant companions, making it hard to get out of bed in the morning. The pain feels so real, it's like a physical ache that refuses to subside. Every memory of your ex becomes a painful reminder of what you've lost. You start wondering if you'll ever find love again, or if you're doomed to be alone forever. The truth is, heartbreak is a universal human experience. We've all been there at some point or another, and it's okay to feel the pain, to grieve the loss of what could have been. But at some point, we need to realize that wallowing in sorrow isn't going to bring our loved one back. It's not going to fix the past, and it's definitely not going to help us move forward. You see, when we're stuck in the past, we become stagnant. We stop growing, we stop learning, and we stop living. We need to acknowledge our emotions, but we also need to take action. We need to take small steps towards healing, towards rediscovering ourselves, and towards finding a new sense of purpose. Self-care is essential in this journey. Taking care of our physical and emotional well-being is crucial. It means getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, and exercising regularly. It means taking time for ourselves, indulging in activities that bring us joy, and surrounding ourselves with people who uplift us. It means being kind to ourselves and not beating ourselves up over past mistakes. Self-care is not selfish, it's necessary. Engaging in new activities can also help us rebuild our self-esteem. Trying something we've always wanted to do but never had the time for can give us a sense of accomplishment and confidence. It can help us discover new passions, new interests, and new hobbies. It can help us meet new people and form new connections. It can help us move forward, one small step at a time. I remember when I went through a breakup, I felt lost and alone. I thought I'd never find love again, and that I was destined to be single forever. But as I started taking care of myself, seeking support from friends, and engaging in new activities, I started to feel alive again. I started to rediscover myself and my passions. I started to see that there was more to life than just my ex. And that's when the real healing began. The truth is, moving on is not about forgetting the past. It's about learning from it. It's about growing, evolving, and becoming a better version of ourselves. It's about finding new beginnings and creating a new life that's authentic and meaningful. Moving on is not about erasing the memories. It's about creating new ones. In conclusion, healing and moving on after a breakup takes time, effort, and patience. It takes a willingness to take action, to try new things, and to be kind to ourselves. It takes a mindset that is open to growth and to change. Remember, you are capable of healing and moving forward. You are capable of finding new beginnings and creating a life that is authentic and meaningful. If you've gone through a breakup and you're struggling to move on, share your story with me in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey of healing and growth. And remember that you're not alone.